Okay, let's look into the lead code problem statement of weekly contest 449. So the problem statement is that we are given a string s and we have to remove the characters from the strings, minimum characters from the string, in order to make that string is having only k distinct character in it. What what is meaning that we are suppose we are having a string like this, uh, A, B, and C. Okay, and so as of now, it is having three distinct character. Okay, now our value is k value is 2. Means we have to make this string of by removing minimum characters from this. We have to make this distinct, make a string which is having distinct character of 2, like we can make AB, like we can make BC, CA, and whatever the combination is possible. So we have to make in this. So in order to make this string, we what will be the minimum requirement is that we have to minimum remove one character from this to make this k equal to 2. Okay, so let's look into the other example also, like A, B, B, and K's value is 2. So what will be the here distinct character in this string is A and B, which is 2. Okay, and we have to make a string which is having distinct character 2. Okay, so no need to remove any character in this, is that's why it is 0. In this string there is a string which is having 3y and 2z. Okay, so what will be the count of distinct character here is 2. Okay, now we have to remove some character from this string to make this string which is having only one distinct character. Okay, so let's look into this. So the string is y and y and z and z. So y is how many times? 3 times, and z is of 2 times. So either we can remove y or either we can remove z. Okay, so if we going to remove y from in this string, then we have to remove minimum 3 characters, or if we are going to remove this z, then we have to remove minimum 2 characters. Okay, so for which one we are going to remove, we'll remove this z from this string. So what will be the minimum cost is 2. So let's look into the approach. The approach is that we can just count the frequency of all distinct characters, and then like here the count of this is y is 3, z 4z is 2. Okay, so after counting the frequency, just sort it. Okay, if we sort it, so sort in a decreasing order, like 3, 2, and so on. So okay, 0 0 0 for this, like this. And now we have to keep k distinct characters. Okay, so we'll hello, sorry for the interruption. I was talking about the intuition. So the intuition is there to for this problem, that we have to keep the count, means count the frequency for all characters in the given string, and then we have to sort that frequency in the decreasing order, like this. Frequency of 4y is 3 and the frequency of z is 2. So based on the frequency we of the character, we have to sort that all characters. Okay, then we have to maintain. Okay, what we have to do, we that's I like this. It, we need whatever the k value, like this. For this k value is 1, so we have to iterate, and we'll maintain the k distinct character, like this. First we'll have, we will find here k. Now after that, every character, number of characters, how many characters is there, we have to count all of them. Okay, that means the all of the sum of the frequency of all characters, rest of them we have to remove. Okay, let's look into the coding side. How can we iterate over this? That first we'll take a frequency array of size 26 to count the frequency for all lowercase characters in the string. Here now we'll iterate over the string and count the frequency for each character. Okay, then we have to sort the frequency. So this sort function, in which order it will sort? It will sort in the ascending order, but we want the frequency in the means in the descending order. So for that we have to give the function pointer, which function this compare function will having a two elements a and b, and it here it we have to give the customized comparison. So what we want to do, we want to sort the frequency array in the descending order. So that's why we return when the a is greater than b in that case. So it will sort the array. Okay, so here now we have to count the frequency, but count the number of character we have to remove. How we can count? So while iterating over the frequency array, first we'll take n number k distinct characters. So till that if k is there and x is there, so x means if the character, if corresponding character is having a valid frequency, only then we have to consider this. So in that case we'll keep it k minus minus, and after that for whatever the frequency of other character, like else it is 0 or else it is anything like this. For this y is 3, we keep it y, and then rest of the rest of the characters anything, either it is z, either it is abc, whatever it is, we have to count the frequency of all characters in it. Then we have to simply return the count. Okay, it is very basic approach. Okay, so just based on my explanation or my intuition, just do some comments on my video, so that based on that comment I will improve myself and upskill myself. Thank you all.